Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to remove SMTP SendGrid settings if you no longer want to use SendGrid for sending emails. Start by logging in to your SendGrid dashboard. Navigate to Settings. Click on API Keys. If you have an API key specifically for SMTP, you can revoke or delete it by selecting the key and clicking Delete. Next, log into your application or server settings, where SendGrid's SMTP was configured. Whether it's WordPress, Cloudways, or any other platform, find the SMTP settings and remove the SendGrid SMTP server. Remove the details like the server name, username, and API key. If you're switching to another SMTP provider, enter the new provider's details in place of the old SendGrid information. Once removed, send a test email from your application to ensure that SendGrid is no longer in use. And that's it. You've successfully removed SendGrid's SMTP settings. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you haven't tried SendGrid, just hit the link in the description and get your free trial today.